Here is a question. You see double integration. Let us change this double integration in polar coordinates. So you know, in polar coordinates dx dy is replaced by r dr d theta, and x equals to r cos theta, y equals to r sin theta. Dx dy equals to r dr d theta. Now the denominator, you see, p square plus r square to the power p. Now this can be integrated. Here theta, you know, here is the circle. So in a circle, in a complete one round, you observe an angle of 2 pi. So theta goes from 0 to 2 pi, and the radius, here you see the r, so radius will be, here you see, less than or equal to, this means that 0 to 2. For this r is from 0 to t, 0 to t. Now this can be integrated easily. For d theta, we write integration of d theta is theta, and putting the limit we get 2 pi. Now it remains 0 to t, 0 to t. Now these two, here r dr can be written as dr square by 2, and this thing will go up. I am writing here p square plus r square to the power p. Now these two cancel, pi 0 to t, and here this can be written p square plus r square to the power minus p, and here at the place of dr square we can write p square plus r square, because actually I am using integration by substitution. So this is a constant, so differentiation of constant is 0, so again you have dr square. So this will be pi and integration p square plus r square minus p plus 1 divided by p plus 1, and limit you see is from 0 to t. Now putting the limit, let us first put t. So this will be pi p square plus t square to the power minus p plus 1 by p plus 1. Thereafter a minus sign. Now put 0. Putting 0 we have p square to the power minus p plus 1 by p plus 1. Now in the question you see t tends to infinity should be finite. If you tend t to infinity, then the value of this integration should be finite. But here you see, if you take this thing positive, then tending t to infinity, this whole thing will go to infinity. So this thing should be negative. Only then you tend t to infinity, then this will be 0. So minus p plus 1 should be negative, less than 0. This ensures that p should be greater than 1. So you see p greater than 1 in A. So A is our correct option.